In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Excel to n8n. By the end, you'll have your Microsoft Excel account linked to n8n, so you can create and update spreadsheets automatically as part of any workflow. First, open your n8n instance and head to the Workflows area. If you're using n8n Cloud, sign in and look for the Workflows tab in the main navigation. On self-hosted setups, it's in the left sidebar. This is the dashboard where you create, organize, and manage all your automations. Make sure you have the right project or environment selected so your new workflow is saved in the correct place. Next, click Create Workflow. A blank canvas will open. Give your workflow a clear name so you can find it later, something like Excel Connection Demo. Naming isn't required, but it keeps things organized as your library grows. You'll see the plus button or node panel where you can add your first node. This is where we'll bring in Excel. Now, start by adding the Microsoft Excel node and choose the operation to create an Excel sheet. Depending on your use case, this could be creating a new workbook or adding a worksheet to an existing file. When you select the operation, n8n will prompt you to set up credentials. Click Create Credential. Credentials in n8n are securely stored and reused across workflows, so you only need to connect once per account. In the credential setup, make sure the provider is set to Microsoft and the type is the Excel or Microsoft 365 connection offered by n8n. Don't worry about advanced fields right now. The standard OAuth flow handles most of the setup. Finally, connect your Microsoft account. A window will open asking you to sign in and grant permission for n8n to access Excel and OneDrive on your behalf. Choose the account that owns the files you intend to use. If your organization requires admin approval for new apps, you may need to request it first. Keep pop-up blockers disabled so the sign-in window can appear. After you approve access, you'll be returned to n8n and the credential will be saved automatically. You can then select this credential in the Microsoft Excel node and you're ready to go. At this point, your Excel connection is live inside n8n. From here, you can build out the rest of your workflow, confident that n8n can create and manage your spreadsheets as part of your automations. Save your workflow, and you're all set.